Right guys, welcome back. So this video is going to be a real quick video. I'm going to be unboxing and giving you my first impressions on a new tool that I've just purchased from Lidl here in the UK. The reason I'm making this video now is because it's available this week in store up until Sunday. So before I get into the video, I just wanted to mention one thing. I'm sure a lot of you are aware of the unfortunate circumstances that me and my family have just found ourselves in regarding my wife, hence why I've not made many videos recently. A few of you asked on that update video about making donations. So what I've done is I've set up a PayPal link, which I will leave down in this video description. So anyone that wants to donate, whether that's to help out with travelling expenses to and from the hospital or towards this channel, then feel free to do so. You're not obliged to make a donation. I'm only doing it because a number of people actually asked. So the tool in question is the Pwbsa 12A1, and it's a angle drill 12 volt. So we'll open the box, show you what comes in the box and show you the tool and let you know what I think. So anyone that's been watching the channel for a while will already know that I own quite a few of the 12 volt Parkside tools from Lidl, and if I'm honest, I find them to be extremely good value. They're not designed for the trade, obviously, they're more designed for the occasional DIYer, but I've used mine quite a lot in the workshop and have to say I'm really impressed. So the first tool I actually bought in the 12 volt range was the barrel grip jigsaw, and I've used that quite a bit in the workshop, and for the price I paid it's absolutely brilliant and well worth the money. I've used it on a number of different projects and it's handled everything that I've thrown at it. The second item I bought was the Pwbsa 12 volt D4 drill with detachable chuck. Now, I think I paid $29.99 and that included the drill, battery and a charger, and it's available in store this week up until Sunday as a tool only option for $17.99. Now, I highly recommend this. I do actually own a Makita drill with a 4 amp hour battery, and I found myself reaching for the small Parkside version because one, it's smaller, and two, it's a lot lighter, and it's got plenty of torque for all the things that I do in the workshop. So if you're on the lookout for one of those, it's in store this week. In fact, I like that one so much I actually went out and purchased a second one, so I've now got two of those. The next tool I bought was the PAM FW 12 volt C3 multi-tool, and that's got toolless blade change, so you haven't got to mess around with Allen keys. I've used it a couple of times in the workshop and it's got more than enough power and has tackled everything I've thrown at it. Again, cheap, good value for money. So this set is a tool only, so no battery or charger. So there's all the specifications on the box. Feel free to pause it and take a look at those. Instructions and the tool itself. So on first impressions, it's got quite a bit of weight to it. It doesn't feel like a cheap, nasty tool. Feels quite well made. Nice in the hand. There's not a lot to it. Obviously, battery goes in the end. You've got your trigger, battery level indicator light, forward and reverse. I'm just pushing that one way or the other, and then you've got an unlock button on the end here. So to change the angle, press it And then if you let go of it and keep moving it round, it clicks into place. So there's actually 5 positions in total. Got that one, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there's no variable speed control on this, but you can adjust the speed by gently pressing the trigger. You've got your usual battery level indicator and a nice little LED on the front. And one thing that did surprise me when I got this out of the box was the fact it's got a nice metal chuck. Now, considering that I only paid £17.99 tool only, I didn't expect a metal chuck. And it's keyless like most drills these days, so no need for chuck keys or anything. So I've got to say I was quite impressed by that. Didn't expect a metal chuck. Right, so let's see how much power it's got. Got some 80mm screws which I'm going to drive into this 4x4 post. I'm going to see if it actually manages to drive them all the way in. So let's give it a go. Seems to work quite well. Right, well, that's all there is to say about it, really. If you're in the market for a cheap, budget-friendly angle drill, then look no further. Definitely got plenty of torque, so should come in really handy in any workshop. So before I go, I just wanted to say a massive, massive thank you to everyone that left positive comments and well wishes on my last video regarding the unfortunate circumstances that me and my family have just found ourselves in. It really does mean a lot, not just to me, but my entire family. So thank you for that. As I said at the start of the video, I'll leave the PayPal link down in the video description for anyone that wishes to donate. If you can't afford it, don't feel bad, don't feel obliged to donate. The only reason I'm including the link is because a number of people actually reached out to me asking for a way of donating. So if you can't afford it, don't worry. I know I've not been uploading weekly like I normally do, but under the current circumstances, I'm sure you all understand. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm still here, I'm not going anywhere, the videos are going to continue. It's just as and when I get the time and I feel mentally able to do so. So I want to thank you for your continued support over the last few weeks or months. So until the next video, stay safe and you'll see me in the next one. Cheers for watching.